Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. I'm here to help you learn more about the CES-D Scale. So what is a CES-D test? The Centre for Epidemiologic Studies Depression Scale is a self-report scale designed to assess the level of depression in people by measuring depressive symptoms. This depression scale comes in the form of a 21-item list that asks if a person has experienced certain symptoms that are often associated with depression, such as feeling afraid, crying a lot, having restless sleep, feeling lonely, loss of appetite, and more. There are many healthcare professionals who can use this test, including psychologists, counsellors, therapists, and more. Here's how to use the assessment effectively. The first step is to download and distribute to your client. You will then need to ensure that the client rates each item within the included scales, interpret scores, and then integrate for treatment. To use the CES-D scale, feel free to visit carepatron.com where it is available for free. Within our platform, you can access the test within the Templates tab, filter by community and by assessment to find the relevant test.